In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve some windows are minimized automatically. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, search Control Panel, open Control Panel, select large icons as View By. Now here select Ease of Access Center. Click on Make the mouse easier to use. Unselect Activate a window by hovering over it with the mouse, and unselect Prevent windows from being automatically arranged when moved to the edge of the screen. And select this box, then click on Apply, then click on OK. Close and restart your system. So hopefully this method will work. Comment your experience and comment if you have any query or question. I am not guaranteed this method will work, but this setting is helpful for me. So thanks for watching and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.